Vital Statistics, Unit 1. Reproduction rates. Limitation of fertility rates. It ignores the sex of newly born children. If the majority of these births are boys, the population is bound to decrease, while the population will increase if the majority of births are girls. It ignores the mortality of newly born children. If mortality is ignored, we may not get the correct rate of growth of population because it ignores the death of female children before reaching the childbearing age. Types of reproduction rates. Reproduction rates are of two types. First one, gross reproduction rate. Second one, net reproduction rate. Gross reproduction rate meaning merits and demerits. Gross reproduction rate can also be called as GRR. Definition. It is defined as the sum of annual WSFR of the entire reproductive span without mortality. GRR equals to I into summation of WSFR. Here, age starts from 15 to 49 years. I indicates magnitude of age class. WSFR equals to woman specific fertility rate equals to FBX divided by FPX into 1000. FBX is number of female births to women of age X during the given period in the given community. FPX equals to number of females of age X during the given period in the given community. Merits and demerits of GRR. The merits of GRR are: it is useful for comparing the fertility in different areas or in the same area at different time of period. It has an advantage over total fertility rate because in its computation we take into account only the female babies who are the future mothers. The demerits of GRR are: it ignores the current mortality. All the girls born do not survive till they reach the childbearing age. Calculation of gross reproduction rate. Example 1. Calculate gross reproduction rate for the following data. Here, age in the years, female population, female births are given. We need to redraft the table. Before calculating gross reproduction rate, first we need to calculate WSFR for each age group. WSFR for the age group 15 to 19 is female birth is 20 divided by female population, that is 1000 into 1000, that is 20. Assign the value in the table. Similarly, we need to calculate WSFR for the rest of the age groups. WSFR for the age group 20 to 24 is 60 divided by 900 into 1000 is 66.7. WSFR for the age group 25 to 29 is 50 divided by 800 into 1000 is 62.5. WSFR for the age group 30 to 34 is 30 divided by 700 is 42.9. WSFR for the age group 35 to 39 is 20 divided by 600 into 1000 is 33.3. WSFR for the age group 40 to 44 is 10 divided by 500 into 1000 is 20. For last, WSFR for the age group 45 to 49 is 10 divided by 400 into 1000, that is 25. After calculating WSFR, we need to calculate its total. Total of WSFR is 270.4. So, apply in GRR. According to the formula, I into summation of WSFR, where I is class width. Here class width is 5, apply in the formula. GRR is 5 into summation of WSFR is 270.4, that is 1352 female births to 1000 women of childbearing age.